रंग के नजारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे कोई नगमा कहीं गूंजा, कहा दिल ने ये तू आई। कहीं चटकी कली कोई, मैं ये समझा तू शर्माई। कोई खुशबू कहीं बिखरी, लगा ये जुल्फ लहराई। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे फिजा रंगी अदा रंगी, ये इठलाना ये शर्माना, ये अंगड़ाई ये तन्हाई, ये तरसा कर चले जाना। बना देगा नहीं किसको जवां जादू ये दीवाना। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे जहाँ तू है वहाँ मैं हूँ, मेरे दिल की तू धड़कन है। मुसाफिर मैं तू मंजिल है, मैं प्यासा हूँ तू सावन है। मेरी दुनिया ये नजरें हैं, मेरी जन्नत ये दामन है। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे लिखे जो खत तुझे नफरत की दुनिया को छोड़ के खुश रहना मेरे यार। नफरत की दुनिया को छोड़ के प्यार की दुनिया में खुश रहना मेरे यार। नफरत की दुनिया को छोड़ के प्यार की दुनिया में खुश रहना मेरे यार। इस झूठ की नगरी से तोड़ के नाता जा प्यारे, अमर रहे तेरा प्यार, खुश रहना मेरे यार। जब जानवर कोई इंसान को मारे, जब जानवर कोई इंसान को मारे, कहते हैं दुनिया में वहशी उसे सारे। एक जानवर की जान आज इंसानों ने ली है, चुप क्यों है संसार, खुश रहना मेरे यार। बस आखिरी सुन ले ये मेल है अपना, बस आखिरी सुन ले ये मेल है अपना, बस खत्म है साथी ये खेल है अपना। अब याद में तेरी बीत जाएंगे रो रो के जीवन के दिन क्या। नफरत की दुनिया को छोड़ के प्यार की दुनिया में खुश रहना मेरे यार, खुश रहना मेरे यार।
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update from Filmy Gaane.
दिल शाद था के फूल खिलेंगे बहार में, मारा गया गरीब इसी एतबार में। मोहब्बत का सहारा मुझे काश तेरा दर्द सारा मिल गया होता। अगर तूफान नहीं आता, किनारा मिल गया होता।
मुझे तेरी मोहब्बत का सहारा मिल गया होता।
का सहारा मिल गया होता।
To enjoy evergreen melodious songs from over the years to the latest ones, subscribe to Filmy Gaane channel.
छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया, छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया, दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया। मोर भी आया, कौवा भी आया, चूहा भी आया, बंदर भी आया। छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया, छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया, दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया। मोर भी आया, कौवा भी आया, चूहा भी आया, बंदर भी आया। छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया। भूख लगी तो चिड़िया रानी मूंग की दाल पकाएगी। अरे भूख लगी तो चिड़िया रानी मूंग की दाल पकाएगी। दाल पकाएगी, दाल पकाएगी। कौवा रोटी लाएगा, लाके तुझे खिलाएगा। मोर भी आया, कौवा भी आया, चूहा भी आया, बंदर भी आया। छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया। चलते चलते मिलेगा भालू, हम बोलेंगे नाचो कालू। चलते चलते मिलेगा भालू, हम बोलेंगे नाचो कालू। नाचो कालू, नाचो कालू। मुन्ना ढोल बजाएगा, भालू नाच दिखाएगा। मोर भी आया, कौवा भी आया, चूहा भी आया, बंदर भी आया। छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया। साथ हमारे चले बराती, साथ हमारे चले बराती। मैं तो हूँ मुन्ने का हाथी, मुन्ने का हाथी, मुन्ने का हाथी। सीधा दिल्ली जाऊंगा, तेरी दुल्हनिया लाऊंगा। मोर भी आया, कौवा भी आया, चूहा भी आया, बंदर भी आया। छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया, छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया। दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया। मोर भी आया, कौवा भी आया, चूहा भी आया, बंदर भी आया। छुन छुन करती आई चिड़िया।
सारेगामा कारवां डिजिटल ऑडियो प्लेयर। इस तोहफे में है 5000 सुनहरे गाने और कुछ यादें।
ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। किसको सुनाऊं हाल दिले बेकरार का, बुझता हुआ चराग हूँ अपने मजार का। ऐ काश भूल जाऊं मगर भूलता नहीं, किस धूम से उठा था जनाजा बाहर का। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। अपना पता मिले न खबर यार की मिले, दुश्मन को भी न ऐसी सजा प्यार की मिले। उनको खुदा मिले है खुदा की जिन्हें तलाश, मुझको बस एक झलक मेरे दिलदार की मिले। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। सहरा में आके भी मुझको ठिकाना न मिला, गम को भुलाने का कोई बहाना न मिला। दिल तर से जिसमें प्यार को क्या समझूं उस संसार को, एक जीत बिछड़े यार को ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। आंसू बहाता है कोई, कैसे न जाऊं मैं, मुझको बुलाता है कोई। या टूटे दिल को जोड़ दो, या सारे बंधन तोड़ दो, ए पर्वत रास्ता दे मुझे, ए कांटो दामन छोड़ दो। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं, मेरे काम की नहीं। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल।
सारेगामा कारवां डिजिटल ऑडियो प्लेयर। इस तोहफे में है 5000 सुनहरे गाने और कुछ यादें।
बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। हवाओं रागनी गाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। ओ लाली फूल की मेहंदी लगा इन गोरे हाथों में, उतर आए घटा का जल लगा इन प्यारी आँखों में। सितारों मांग भर जाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। नजारों हर तरफ अब
तान दो एक नूर की चादर, बड़ा शर्मीला दिलबर है, चला जाए न शर्मा कर। जरा तुम दिल को बहलाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। सजाई है जवा कलियों ने अब ये सेज उल्फत की, इन्हें मालूम था आएगी एक दिन रुत मोहब्बत की। फजाओ रंग बिखराओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। बहारों फूल बरसा। ये रेशमी जुल्फें, ये शर्बती आँखें, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी। ये रेशमी जुल्फें, ये शर्बती आँखें, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी। झुक जाएंगी, जो ये आंखें शर्म से झुक जाएंगी, सारी बातें यहीं बस रुक जाएंगी। चुप रहना ये अफसाना, कोई इनको ना बतलाना, कि इन्हें देख कर पी रहे हैं सभी, इन्हें देख कर पी रहे हैं सभी। ये रेशमी जुल्फें, ये शर्बती आँखें, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी। बरसाएंगी, ये कर देंगी दीवाना, कोई इनको ना बतलाना कि इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी। ये रेशमी जुल्फें, ये शरबती आंखें, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी, इन्हें देख कर जी रहे हैं सभी।
डाउनलोड करिए ओरिजिनल हाई क्वालिटी सॉन्ग्स saregama.com से।
झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। ऐसा सुंदर सपना अपना जीवन होगा।
झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। ऐसा सुंदर सपना अपना जीवन होगा। झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। प्रेम की गली में एक छोटा सा घर बनाएंगे, प्रेम की गली में, हो प्रेम की गली में एक छोटा सा घर बनाएंगे। कलियां ना मिले ना सही, कांटों से सजाएंगे। बगिया से सुंदर वो बन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा,
रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा।
हम झोंके बन जाएंगे, फिर तो मस्त हवाओं के, फिर तो मस्त हवाओं के हम झोंके बन जाएंगे।
नैना सुंदर सपनों के झरोखे बन जाएंगे, मन आशाओं का दर्पण होगा।
झिम बरसता सावन होगा, ऐसा सुंदर सपना अपना जीवन होगा। झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा, सावन होगा, सावन होगा। झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा, रिमझिम बरसता सावन होगा। झिलमिल सितारों का आंगन होगा।
तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार हो, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। आखिरी पल है, आखिरियां हैं तुझे ढूंढ रही हैं। डूबती सांसें, बुझती निगाहें तुझे ढूंढ रही हैं। सामने आजा एक बार, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। चढ़ा दी मैंने चाह में तेरी।
Welcome to our comprehensive investigation of Ashford.com, one of the internet's most talked about luxury watch and jewelry retailers. Today we're going to answer the burning question that thousands of potential customers are asking. Is Ashford legit, or is it just another elaborate scam designed to separate you from your hard-earned money? Stick around because we're diving deep into every aspect of this controversial retailer. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Ashford.com? Ashford is an online luxury retailer that has been operating since 1997. Yes, you heard that right. They've been in business for over 25 years, which is actually longer than many legitimate retailers. The company is based in Houston, Texas, and they specialize in selling luxury watches, fine jewelry, handbags, sunglasses, and various other high-end accessories. Their website claims to offer authentic luxury brands at discount prices, often advertising savings of 30 to 70% off retail prices. Brands they carry include names you've definitely heard of: Rolex, Omega, Tag Heuer, Breitling, Cartier, Movado, Citizen, Seiko, Bulova, and literally hundreds more. They also sell luxury jewelry from brands like Roberto Coin and high-end fashion accessories from names like Michael Kors and Kate Spade. Now here's where it gets interesting. The company markets itself as an authorized dealer for many brands, but not all of them. This is a crucial distinction we'll explore later. Ashford positions itself as a destination for customers who want genuine luxury items, but don't want to pay full retail prices. Their business model revolves around offering competitive discounts on authentic merchandise, which immediately raises red flags for some consumers. After all, if something seems too good to be true, it usually is, right? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out. Let's talk about what Ashford offers in terms of their product selection and services. Their inventory is massive. We're talking about thousands upon thousands of products across multiple categories. In the watch department alone, they claim to have over 30,000 different models available. These range from affordable fashion watches in the $100 range all the way up to luxury timepieces that cost tens of thousands of dollars. They carry both quartz and automatic movements, men's and women's styles, dress watches, sport watches, dive watches, chronographs, and every other category you can imagine. Beyond watches, their jewelry section includes rings, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and complete sets. The handbag section features leather goods from luxury designers. They also sell watch accessories like winders, cases, and replacement straps. Essentially, if it's a luxury accessory item, there's a good chance Ashford sells it. The company also offers various services, including watch repair, battery replacement, and resizing services for both watches and jewelry. Now let's navigate through their important pages and see what they're telling us. First up, the homepage. When you land on Ashford.com, you're immediately greeted with banner ads promoting their latest sales and deals. The site design is relatively clean and professional looking, though some might say it looks a bit dated compared to more modern e-commerce sites. The navigation menu is straightforward with clear categories for watches, jewelry, handbags, and other products. There's also a prominent search bar and shopping cart icon. The About Us page tells the company's story. According to their own narrative, Ashford was founded with the mission of making luxury accessible to everyone. They emphasize their longevity in the business and their commitment to authenticity. They talk about their team of experts who inspect and authenticate every product before shipping. The page includes some corporate history and mentions their customer service commitment. However, what's interesting is what they don't say as much about, which is exactly how they source their products and maintain such low prices. The authentication and warranty page is crucial. This is where Ashford explains that all their products are 100% authentic and brand new unless specifically listed as pre-owned. They claim to source directly from authorized suppliers and maintain strict quality control. For watches specifically, they offer their own Ashford warranty rather than manufacturer warranties in many cases. This is actually a significant point of contention that we'll discuss later. Their warranty typically covers defects in materials and workmanship, but may not be as comprehensive as a manufacturer warranty. The shipping and returns page outlines their policies. Standard shipping is free on most orders over a certain amount, typically around $100, though this can vary. They offer expedited shipping options for additional fees. International shipping is available to many countries. Their return policy allows returns within 30 days of purchase for most items, though watches and jewelry may have specific conditions. Items must be unworn, with all original packaging and documentation. There's a restocking fee for some returns, which is another point customers complain about. Now let's examine a typical product page to see how Ashford presents their watches. When you click on a specific watch model, you're taken to a detailed product page. At the top you'll find the product name, brand, and model number. High-resolution images show the watch from multiple angles, and you can zoom in to see details. The product description includes specifications like case size, movement type, water resistance, materials used, and all the technical details a watch enthusiast would want to know. The pricing section is where things get interesting. You'll typically see three prices. The manufacturer's suggested retail price, often called MSRP, which is usually crossed out, their regular price, which is already discounted, and then a special sale price if there's a current promotion. The savings are prominently displayed, often showing percentage off calculations. Below the price, you'll find information about warranty coverage, whether it's an Ashford warranty or manufacturer warranty. There's also information about authenticity guarantees. Customer reviews are displayed on product pages when available. These show star ratings and written reviews from verified purchasers. The availability status tells you if the item is in stock and ready to ship or if there might be delays. You'll also find information about payment options, including financing through services like Affirm for larger purchases. There are buttons to add the item to your cart, add to wish list, or share on social media. One thing you'll notice is that not all products have extensive reviews. Some popular models have dozens or even hundreds of reviews, while others, particularly higher-end pieces, may have few or no reviews. This is actually pretty common for luxury items, since they sell in lower volumes. The product pages also include sections suggesting similar items you might like, and showing what other customers purchased along with this item. Let's talk about the shopping experience and checkout process. Once you've added items to your cart, the checkout process is relatively standard for e-commerce. You enter your shipping information, select your shipping method, and proceed to payment. Ashford accepts all major credit cards, PayPal, and offers financing options through Affirm for qualified purchases. They use secure encryption for payment processing, which is standard practice. During checkout, you may be offered additional services like extended warranties or gift wrapping for an extra fee. You'll also see the final price breakdown, including any taxes and shipping charges. Some customers report being surprised by additional fees that weren't clearly displayed earlier in the shopping process, so it's important to review the final total carefully before confirming your order. After placing an order, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order details and a tracking number once the item ships. Shipping times vary depending on the item and destination, but domestic orders typically arrive within 5 to 10 business days for standard shipping. Some customers report receiving their orders quickly, while others complain about delays, especially during holiday seasons or with certain high-demand items. Now here's where we need to get into the meat of this investigation, the real reviews from actual customers. Let's start with Trustpilot, which is one of the most popular review platforms for online businesses. As of the latest data, Ashford has a rating on Trustpilot that's quite polarized. They have thousands of reviews, which is actually a good sign because it shows they're doing significant business volume. However, the reviews themselves are mixed. The positive reviews, and there are many of them, tend to follow similar patterns. Customers praise the authenticity of the products, saying they received genuine luxury watches exactly as described. Many mention the excellent prices and significant savings compared to retail. Some reviewers specifically note that they were skeptical at first, but were pleasantly surprised by the quality and service. Fast shipping is frequently mentioned in positive reviews, with some customers receiving their orders within just a few days. Good customer service experiences are also highlighted, with reviewers mentioning helpful representatives who answered questions and resolved issues. However, the negative reviews are equally vocal and raise some serious concerns. The most common complaints involve warranty issues. Many customers are frustrated to learn that their watches come with Ashford warranties rather than manufacturer warranties, which can limit where they can get service and repairs. Some customers report that when they tried to have their watches serviced at authorized brand service centers, they were told their warranty wasn't valid or that the watch wasn't purchased through authorized channels. Another frequent complaint involves damaged or defective products. Some customers report receiving watches that weren't functioning properly, had cosmetic damage, or were clearly not brand new as advertised. The return process is another pain point, with customers complaining about restocking fees, difficulty getting return authorizations, and long wait times for refunds. Customer service quality is inconsistent according to reviews, with some people having great experiences while others describe rude or unhelpful representatives. There are also complaints about advertising and pricing practices. Some customers feel misled by the savings claims, arguing that the MSRP prices used for comparison are inflated to make the discounts look bigger than they really are. Others mention receiving promotional emails constantly, even after unsubscribing. A smaller number of reviews raise concerns about authenticity, though these are relatively rare and often disputed. Moving over to Reddit, the discussion about Ashford is equally divided. In watch enthusiast subreddits like r/watches and r/watchexchange, Ashford comes up regularly in discussions about where to buy luxury watches. The Reddit community tends to be more knowledgeable about watches than the average consumer, so their insights are particularly valuable. The consensus on Reddit seems to be that Ashford is indeed a legitimate business that sells authentic products, but with significant caveats. Experienced watch collectors point out that Ashford operates in what's called the gray market. This means they're not always authorized dealers for the brands they sell. They acquire inventory through various channels, including buying from authorized dealers, purchasing excess inventory, or buying from international markets where prices are lower. The gray market itself isn't illegal or inherently scam, but it comes with trade-offs. The main issue is warranty coverage. When you buy from an unauthorized dealer, the manufacturer typically won't honor their warranty. This is why Ashford provides their own warranties instead. Ashford's warranty might be adequate for some customers, but it's not the same as having a manufacturer warranty that's honored at authorized service centers worldwide. Reddit users also discuss the pricing strategy. Many note that while Ashford's prices are lower than authorized dealer retail prices, they're not always the best deals available. Savvy shoppers point out that authorized dealers often negotiate on price, especially for higher-end pieces, and you can sometimes get similar or better prices while still getting the full manufacturer warranty. Online authorized dealers, like JamaShop's competitors and others, sometimes have comparable prices with better warranty coverage. The Reddit community generally advises that Ashford can be a decent option for certain types of purchases. For fashion watches and lower to mid-price timepieces where warranty service is less critical, Ashford might offer good value. For high-end luxury watches where warranty service and brand relationship matter more, Reddit users typically recommend buying from authorized dealers, even if it costs more. The community also emphasizes doing research on specific models and comparing prices across multiple retailers before making a purchase. Some Redditors share personal experiences with Ashford. Success stories include getting great deals on watches that arrived quickly and performed flawlessly. Problem stories include receiving watches with issues and having difficulty getting them resolved, or discovering that service costs without manufacturer warranty support negated the initial savings. Several users mention that Ashford's customer service quality seems to have declined over the years as the company has grown. Looking at other review platforms and forums, the pattern continues. The Better Business Bureau shows Ashford with an accredited business rating, which is a positive sign. They've been BBB accredited since 2003, demonstrating longevity and a commitment to resolving customer complaints. Their BBB rating reflects both positive and negative customer experiences, with the company responding to most complaints, though not all resolutions satisfy customers. Watch enthusiast forums like WatchaSeek and TimeZone have lengthy threads discussing Ashford. The consensus across these communities is consistent. Ashford is legitimate in the sense that they sell real products and aren't a scam operation, but buyer beware regarding warranties and policies. Forum members emphasize reading all the fine print and understanding exactly what you're getting, especially regarding warranty coverage. Social media presence also tells part of the story. Ashford maintains active Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts where they post product showcases and promotions. The comments on these posts are mixed, with some customers praising their purchases, while others air grievances about service issues. The company does respond to social media comments, showing some level of engagement with their customer base. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Is Ashford a scam? Based on our comprehensive investigation, the answer is no. Ashford is not a scam. They are a legitimate business that has been operating for over 25 years. They sell authentic luxury watches and jewelry, not counterfeits. They process orders, ship products, and maintain a functional business operation. Thousands of customers have successfully purchased products from them and been satisfied with their experience. However, and this is a significant however, being legitimate doesn't mean they're the right choice for every buyer or that they don't have issues. The warranty situation is real and significant. If manufacturer warranty coverage is important to you, particularly for expensive watches, Ashford may not be your best option. The gray market nature of some of their inventory means you're trading warranty coverage and authorized dealer benefits for lower prices. The quality of customer service appears inconsistent. Some customers have excellent experiences, while others struggle to get issues resolved. This inconsistency is concerning and suggests that the company may have internal process or training issues. The restocking fees and return policies are less customer-friendly than some competitors, though they're not unusual for the luxury goods industry. The pricing and savings claims deserve scrutiny. While Ashford does offer discounts compared to retail prices, the exact savings percentages may be inflated by using high MSRP figures for comparison. Smart shoppers should compare prices across multiple retailers rather than taking the advertised savings at face value. In some cases, authorized dealers offering discounts or promotions might offer comparable prices with better warranty coverage. So what's our final verdict? Ashford is a legitimate luxury goods retailer that can offer value for informed buyers who understand the trade-offs. They're best suited for customers who prioritize price over warranty coverage, who are buying lower to mid-priced items where service issues are less likely, or who are knowledgeable enough about watches to assess condition and authenticity themselves. For expensive luxury timepieces, where long-term service and warranty support matter, buying from authorized dealers is generally the safer choice even at higher prices. If you do decide to buy from Ashford, here's some recommendations to protect yourself. First, research the specific product you want to buy. Know the typical market price from multiple sources, so you can evaluate if Ashford's deal is truly competitive. Second, read and understand all warranty information. Make sure you know exactly what coverage you're getting and what limitations exist. Third, inspect your item immediately upon delivery. Check for any damage, defects, or signs that the item isn't new as described. Fourth, document everything. Keep all correspondence. Take photos of packaging and products, and save receipts. Fifth, use a credit card rather than debit for purchase protection. Most credit cards offer buyer protection that can help if there are issues. Consider the total cost of ownership, not just the purchase price. If the watch needs service, and you don't have manufacturer warranty coverage, those service costs could eliminate your savings. Factor in potential return shipping costs and restocking fees if you're not satisfied. For expensive purchases, it may be worth paying more to an authorized dealer for peace of mind and comprehensive warranty coverage. It's also worth noting that the luxury watch market has evolved significantly in recent years. There are now many online retailers competing in this space, from established authorized dealers with online presence to gray market sellers to used watch marketplaces. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Ashford occupies a specific niche in this ecosystem as a gray market seller with a long track record and large inventory. They're not a scam, but they're also not the same as buying from an authorized dealer. The watch collecting community has generally accepted that gray market dealers serve a purpose in the market. They provide liquidity, offer competitive pricing, and make luxury watches more accessible to buyers who might not otherwise be able to afford them. However, this comes with trade-offs that every buyer needs to understand and accept. Ashford is one of the larger and more established players in this gray market space. One important consideration is authentication. While Ashford guarantees authenticity, and there are very few reports of counterfeit items being sold, the risk isn't zero. Counterfeit watches have become increasingly sophisticated, and even experts can sometimes be fooled. This is another reason why buying from authorized dealers provides additional peace of mind, though it's not a guarantee either. If you're buying an expensive watch from any source, it's worth considering getting it authenticated by an independent expert, especially for used or vintage pieces. The resale value consideration is also important. Watches purchased from authorized dealers with full documentation and warranties typically command higher resale values than gray market watches. If you think you might want to sell the watch later, the savings you get from buying gray market could be offset by the lower resale value. This is particularly true for luxury brands like Rolex, where provenance and documentation significantly impact secondary market prices. Let's talk about some specific brand considerations. For some watch brands, the warranty issue is more significant than others. Brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet have expensive service costs and long service intervals, making manufacturer warranty coverage quite valuable. For these brands, the gray market trade-off is more significant. For brands with less expensive service costs or shorter warranty periods, the calculation might favor gray market savings. Fashion watch brands and lower-priced Swiss brands might be perfectly fine to purchase from Ashford since service costs are lower. The experience also varies by price point. Customers buying watches in the few $100 range report generally positive experiences with Ashford. At this price point, the warranty issue is less critical, and the savings can be substantial. Customers buying watches in the multiple thousands of dollars range report more mixed experiences, with warranty and service issues becoming more significant concerns. For five-figure watches and above, most experienced collectors recommend sticking with authorized dealers unless you have specific reasons to go gray market. It's worth mentioning that Ashford has made efforts to address some customer concerns over the years. They've updated their policies, improved their website, and maintained BBB accreditation. They respond to complaints and negative reviews, showing some accountability. However, the fundamental nature of their business model as a gray market dealer means certain issues are inherent to their operation rather than being fixable through policy changes. The broader context of online luxury retail is also relevant. The internet has transformed how people buy luxury goods, creating both opportunities and risks. The ability to compare prices across multiple retailers benefits consumers, but also creates pressure on margins that can lead to corner cutting. The lack of physical inspection before purchase increases the importance of clear return policies and authentic guarantees. Ashford operates in this complex environment where customer expectations for both discount pricing and luxury service can conflict. Consumer protection laws provide some safeguards. In the United States, customers have rights regarding accurate product descriptions, fraud protection, and dispute resolution. Credit card chargebacks are available if products aren't as described. However, these protections work best when you've documented everything and acted promptly. This is why our earlier recommendations about documentation and using credit cards are important. The question of whether you should buy from Ashford ultimately depends on your specific situation, priorities, and the product you're buying. There's no universal answer that applies to everyone. Some customers will have excellent experiences and get great value. Others will encounter problems and regret not paying more for authorized dealer purchase. The key is making an informed decision with realistic expectations. In conclusion, after examining every aspect of Ashford's operation, reviewing hundreds of customer experiences, consulting watch community discussions, and analyzing their business model, our verdict is clear. Ashford.com is a legitimate business, not a scam. They sell authentic luxury watches and jewelry at competitive prices. However, they operate in the gray market, which means buying from them involves specific trade-offs, particularly regarding warranty coverage and authorized dealer benefits. They are best suited for informed buyers who understand these trade-offs and prioritize price over warranty coverage. They are less suitable for expensive luxury purchases, where long-term service support and manufacturer relationships are important. Customer service quality is inconsistent, and policies are less flexible than some competitors. Pricing advantages exist, but may be less dramatic than advertised, and comparison shopping is essential. For the average consumer looking to buy a luxury watch or jewelry piece, Ashford can be a legitimate option worth considering, but shouldn't be your only option. Get quotes from authorized dealers, compare prices with other gray market sellers, and make sure you understand exactly what warranty coverage and return rights you're getting. Read the fine print, ask questions before buying, and inspect your purchase carefully upon arrival. The luxury watch industry is complex, with multiple distribution channels, each serving different customer needs. Ashford occupies a specific position in this ecosystem as an established gray market seller with wide selection and competitive pricing, balanced against warranty limitations and service inconsistencies. They're not perfect, but they're not a scam either. They're a legitimate business option for buyers who approach the purchase with clear understanding of what they're getting and what they're giving up. Thank you for watching this comprehensive investigation of Ashford.com. We've covered everything from their business model to product pages to real customer reviews to our final verdict. The goal was to give you all the information you need to make an informed decision about whether Ashford is right for your luxury purchase. Remember, whether buying from Ashford or any other retailer, do your research, compare options, understand policies, and make the decision that's right for your specific situation. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews and consumer investigations. Leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with Ashford or questions about buying luxury watches online. Until next time, shop smart and stay informed.